Lagrange equation of ceiling fan. L equals Ke minus Pe. K is half I theta dot square, which is half I theta dot square. Now d over dt partial L over partial theta dot minus partial L over partial theta, which is equal to source term Q. First of all, partial L over partial theta dot equals, which becomes on simplification I theta dot. The second term partial L over partial theta, which is just 0. So final equation becomes I theta dot equal source term. The source term contains three type of terms. One is positive and other two are negative, which because of air drag. Air tau means motor torque, b theta dot is air drag, c theta dot square is quadratic air drag term. So final equation becomes I theta double dot equal tau m minus b theta dot minus c theta dot square. As an example, we estimate theta double dot value by putting I equals 0.2, tau m equal 1.5 Newton meter, b equal 0.02 Newton meter second, c equals 0.001 Newton meter second square, theta dot equal 20 rad per second. Plugging values in this equation, we get theta double dot equal 3.5 rad per second square.